Hi everyone, welcome back to Outfit of the Day. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see each and every one of you. I am so excited to be back to doing my videos. Now, I'm not back to everything. I apologize for that, but next week I will be doing the mukbangs and my keto live. I will let you know in one of my videos what time. I believe I'm going to do it at 6 p.m. I believe the last one I did was like a 1, so it'd probably be 6 p.m., but I'll let you know. Just watch for that in one of the videos next week, the nail video or my keto treat video. I'll say it in there for you guys. But other than that, I'm just glad to be back to doing some of my videos. Things are falling into place. You know, move is hard. It really, really is. It's been a while for me, but I didn't realize how much time it took. But I'm just glad to be back. And my most favorite day of the week is my outfit of the day. I love when I take a set of nails and a set of toes and I match it with a really cute outfit. And how exciting, it's my first fall look. I did it for October breast cancer awareness. That was the look I was going for. And I got to do this look in my own backyard. The catwalk and all the photos and everything are right in my yard. And you guys seen in the tour how beautiful this home is, how beautiful the yard is. So it was awesome. I didn't have to go anywhere. Now, I don't mean, probably won't do every video in the yard here, but it was just great that the first time I did my first fall look, I could do it right in my own backyard. How awesome. So, but anyways, before I get started, you guys know that I love to read a Bible verse to you guys. And you know, I have been through a lot. Change is hard. It really, really is. But when God leads you in a direction, he makes things easy for you. You know, you're human. You're still going to be scared. I had so much anxiety and just knowing like this change and going from being alone with my husband for years in a home to coming into a home with another family, my brother and his kids. You got an 11-year-old, a 14-year-old, and a 16-year-old, all boys. I knew it was going to be loud and everything. My son has been moved out for years. He's almost 21. So I've been alone with my husband for years. And now in a place, we're, in with my brother, and it's just, at first it was a lot on me. It was a lot to get used to. I love being around them. Don't get me wrong, but it was different, very, very different. But I love it. God has showed me every day the blessings that he is doing for me, and that even though I was scared, I didn't have to be, because God led me in this direction. Sometimes as humans, we make mistakes, we jump the gun, we do things that we probably shouldn't, but this one here, no matter how many times I prayed to God, God, are you sure this is what you want for me? I never felt any bad in it. I felt all good. Even though I had the anxiety because I'm human, I just kept feeling good. There was no bad vibes. There was nothing telling me not to go. So I'm really glad that I did this. Now, I am not completely moved. Like I told you guys, that won't be until December. But I am making all of my videos here and getting things organized. My room's almost unpacked, but I did have to dig for some of the things for today's outfit. But, it's just, things take time, but I love my outfit of the day, and I'm just excited to be back doing that. And I want to share a Bible verse with you guys. I always do. And this one I felt led by the Lord to read to you guys is Joshua 1:9. And it says here, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." And that is so true. I love that. Again, Joshua 1:9. Very good Bible verse. Sometimes, like I said, we jump the gun and we do like our own plans or whatever it is. We feel like we're supposed to, and we do it, and we make mistakes. But God's always there to catch you when you fall. But when compelled by the Lord and the Lord leads you, he really gets you through it. And he really did. Like, it wasn't even that long after I got in here that the anxiety subsided. I feel so much better. I love it. I really love that I listened to God and that I had done this. And I love that that Bible verse. Don't ever be scared, because no matter where you are in this world, God is always with you. So, but anyways, like I said, I have missed you guys, and I'm excited to share this outfit with you. So for starters, I have my hair down. You guys don't ever or hardly ever get to see my hair down. It is fall, my most favorite time of the year. I love the colors, the crisp, cool air. I love it. It's just been really, really cold here. We're getting like winter weather here. Yesterday was like 39 degrees, but today is like almost like 45, 50 degrees. The sun's out. It's beautiful. I'm just excited because I did this in my own backyard, my front yard. It's so awesome. I love it. So like I said, I have my hair down. I've hot rolled it and curled it. I don't wear it down a lot because it's a lot of work because I have more of kind of a messy curl. So just a lot I have to do. And I love my hair up. I just do. I like it away from my face, but I love it down too. Don't get me wrong. When I do it, I'm always like, okay, I got to do this more often because I love the way it looks on me. But I've went down with it and hot rolled it. And I've just put around this ribbon, or not ribbon, but well, kind of like that, around my head. I got this from Hobby Lobby, believe it or not, and it's just a cotton hair piece, and it's got this big flower. I don't know if it's a rose or what type of flower, but it's baby pink, and I did that to go with this cute flannel or plaid look that I got from Walmart just recently. This is so cute with the pinks in it, and when I seen it, I thought, I'm doing an October breast cancer awareness one with this, with the pink in it, and it's really cute. I got it about a week and a half ago, and it was only like $9, really cheap, and it's got that beautiful cutout in the back, the lace like that. Isn't that cute? I just love it. And then I have it just paired with a white tank top, also from Walmart. And I'll stand up to kind of show you this shirt. If you look at it, it comes up on the sides like this. You can also pull it down to make it longer. Isn't that cute? And it completely covers over the booty, so that's nice. I love how the arms can go up and fold, or they can go down. So I really love it. And like I said, it was $9. I couldn't believe it. And then I have paired it with a pair of burgundy leggings, and that's why I did all the burgundy look, because of the burgundy in the shirt, and then of course the burgundy in the nails. I thought, how perfect. I'll do burgundy leggings. Perfect for the fall. A cute flannel shirt and leggings. You can't go wrong, and you can dress it up. You can dress it down. So much fun. This is more of a casual look today. But anyways, so that's what I did. And then for the earrings and jewelry, I went with this cute, just beaded pink kind of see-through necklace here. And I got that from Charming Charlie's. The earrings here I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. They are a Swarovski crystal. They are hearts. I'll get up close here so you guys can see this. Hopefully you can see them. They're just kind of a real soft baby pink in their hearts. So I went with that. And then I've got this bracelet on, also that I got from Charming Charlie's, and it's got the copper in there. I thought that would be pretty like that, but isn't that cute? And I didn't need to be real dressed up today because it's more casual, but it's so cute how you can add pieces and just really make it even cuter. So I went with just this baby pink bracelet and then this cocktail ring. Now I got a pink cocktail ring from my good friend Jan, and I was looking for that one because I like it. It's got the gold on it. This is the silver. It's got the gold on it, and most of the stuff I have on here has got the gold mixed through it, but I couldn't find it because I'm still not completely unpacked. So I had a cocktail ring myself in a baby pink there. I got this from Walmart, and I got it years ago, but I know Walmart still has them. I've got a green one, a blue one, and then this one. It's the pink sapphire. So that's what I'm wearing there. Nothing too, like I said, I didn't want to go too much, but I also didn't want to go too less. I wanted it to be a little bit dressed up and cute like that. So that's what I did for jewelry to match this cute October look for breast cancer awareness, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So that's what I did there. Now for the purse and the shoes, first I'll show you the makeup. The makeup I went with pinks and burgundies, if you see my eyes. So I started off, let me get it out here. This is NYC, got this from Walmart, and the color on it is just called Midtown Mauve 945. And I started everything off. This is actually a kind of a creamy white. I started everything off and my highlight up here with this color. And then for on this part, on my eyelid, I went with this by Icing that I got from the store Icing. It is a mineral. I went with this really hot neon pink for the inner eye. That's what I did there on my eyelid. Went with that great bright pink like that. And then on the upper eye for the smoky, I took this burgundy in that Midtown Mauve. I did that burgundy in there. Isn't that beautiful in there for the smoky look? I smoked it. I hope you can see the lighting in here. You'll see in the pictures. The lighting in here is pretty dark because this pink is a lot lighter pink than it's showing in there, or maybe it's showing red. I don't know, but it is darker. And then I've got that beautiful burgundy or mauve that you want to call, that beautiful color there. And I love this palette here. It's got a lot of pretty colors, that baby pink there. And this is a kind of a mauve color too, but just was perfect to go like that. And then for the lip color, I am using Estes Lauder, and it's that one I've showed you before. It's a 2-1, and the one side here is just that real light color, kind of a nude, but I'm using the other side, and it is called Heart to Heart, and it's a beautiful red burgundy color. Love it. Put a little bit more on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's more of a burgundy. It's more of a wine color. Absolutely beautiful, and it just goes on so smooth. I love Estee Lauder. It's a great brand. So that's the lipstick I went with, and it's in that beautiful blue there. I got it years ago. But anyways, so that's the makeup. And then for the bag, I went with this cute little pink bag that is by Kate Spade, New York. Isn't that cute? I love it. That baby pink, I've had it in a video before. But just a perfect little bag. Didn't have to be too dressed up. It was a perfect little cute little clutch bag like that to carry clutch. You could carry it like this or just hold it. And then, of course, and I've wore these before, is my little baby pink high heels. Now, the weather isn't okay to be wearing these, but it was it was okay today to put them on. It was warmer, but I'm walking through the grass and stuff, so they got a little bit dirty. Sorry about that. But I've wore these in a video before. I love them. They are the most comfortable heel ever. It's just a short little heel. Sorry about the dirt. Like I said, I was in the grass. But I love the little fold on there. I love that they're like a leather. I really love them. I think they're perfect for this outfit with leggings. They look so cute. And that's the brand right there. Not sure where I got these. The purse I got from, my mom got it for me. I will list it down the box if I find out where I got it from. I'm not sure where she got it. But these here I got from a Goodwill years ago. I seen them. They were brand new looking. I've already worn them like 100 times. I love them. But they were only a couple bucks, like in a bin. They were just getting rid of it. It was during, I think, the fall time. They were getting rid of everything. I paid like $2 for them. I love them. Like I said, they are the most comfortable shoe ever. And that was the brand. So maybe I can look up the brand and list in the box down below. I'll list everything down in the box, the outfit and everything where I got it. I'll find out where these actually came from, but I love them. And I bet you they have other colors. I love the baby pink here. But that is the outfit of the day that I went with for my first fall look. It's kind of like a lumberjack look. You'll see in the catwalk, in the actual photos. I mean, you'll see I'm holding an axe in some of them. It turned out cute because it was kind of like a lumberjack look, lumberjack girl though. But anyways, just thought it would be fun to do it right in my own backyard. I had a lot of fun. The photos turned out great. I was really happy with them, and the yard is so pretty. So thank you guys again for your love, your support, your prayers. Please continue because, of course, I'm very happy, but still, it's still changed. Things are still different, and I'm still, trying to get accustomed to all of this. And I just know that all of it is from the Lord. But, we still need prayer every day, and I pray for all of you guys. I'm sorry I haven't been in to do a lot of keto stuff, but I will be back to that. Going to help all my keto people get back on that train. So I'm just excited that I'm back actually doing my videos. It's my most favorite thing to do. I love making my videos. I love coming in and telling you guys, just my outfits, my nails, my keto, all of that. So I'll be back to the mukbangs, and I'll be back to my live next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. And everybody take care and God bless. Let's get on to this catwalk.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. to roam. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know